Hello everyone and welcome back. This was where we left last time and I want to show you what I have been working on. So this is the new version I have been working on and off for 2 months, and here the last week I tried to finish it up, and as you can see it's pretty colorful, but it's pretty much just because I wanted to show you that you can color things. So let's just quickly go over what is new. Well, the new dialogue node here is the fact that you can now add text, images, and names. So when you change the name, a new name will pop in here in the speaker and the dialogue. So let's just reload this. So it's back to what it was supposed to be. Okie dokie. And we don't have the choice nodes here, meaning those are the new choices. So let's actually give an example here when we play. So when it actually want to start, we're gonna go over here. So it's gonna load images and names in instantly, but it's gonna stop every time it gets to a text field. So here you can see, hello, you, ha 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 ha. I don't know why I typed haha. We can then either click the button or press space button. It will then connect to the next text field. It will then load in the next images instantly and go down to the text field. As you can see now, it hits the last text field, meaning it will then look if it has a continue. If it has a continue, it will go to the next one. If it has choices, it will load those choices in. However, each choice here have a condition. Well, the top one has no conditions. This one here has one condition, is money over 60. And this one down here has money over 100 and smaller than 500 health. I don't really know why that one is there. But as you can see, they also have a condition thingy here, meaning if the condition is not met, it will gray out. As you can see here, it's grayed out. And this one is hidden when the condition is not met. So if we press no, we should go into this branch, where it is pretty pointless at the moment. It would either go the true or false way and go down to this dialog. So if we press no, it will instantly jump over to this one here. And here I should probably put a little more text boxes on here, but there's this section is just to show that if you have the continue thing, it will just jump over to the next one right here. And the last one here, we of course only have two choices, and it hit the last text box with, in the beginning, so we now can choose. And this, if you take the top one, it will go into this event and add 100 money. So we're gonna click yes, and we have now 110 money. So if we click again and go through the dialog, as you can now see, we can now pick every of the options. We can also use the 1, 2, and 3 key, because that is how I set it up. So let's press the 3 key. It will then choose the 3 key and go into this event, which subtracts 50 money, as we can see it did, and it add 20 health. And it also did the random color events. As you can now see, they have been random colored. And we can just go through the entire thing again. So that is pretty much what has been added. So this is the new dialogue system, and it should be a working prototype that you should be able to make at least something with. We will also be we'll also be making the game event system, so you can actually use those events here. Right now they are using strings. Not the best performance check, but the beautiful thing about string is that you can, name it with whatever you want, and it's pretty easy to go in and change. However, you will also have to, make sure that you actually spell it correct. But I actually think I have. Do I have a safety thing in my system right now? To be honest, I don't think I put up the safety pin. Let's have a look. See, I did not. So that's something. Oh yeah, I forgot to save. That's probably why. Can test it again. If not, then we definitely need, yeah. So we have the safety pin here that tells us that we tried to use a string event that did not exist. So that's a warning that I made myself. So that is of course something. So there's a little safety thingy on it, and I think that is pretty much it. And of course a lot of new USS styling, and you can see the path here has been colored. And then again, to the main problem here is that I pretty much reworked the entire system again. So I'm not really entirely sure on how we're going to implement it, because I pretty much need to rework so much code before we'll actually have anything working again. So I just think I'm just gonna start with the save files and we'll just slowly go through it. But it will make the system not work for quite a while. So sorry about that. But I hope, of course, that you're looking forward to getting started again. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.